Trading meme coins has made a lot of crypto millionaires because meme coins can easily 10x, 50x or even 100x within a short period of time. However, it may come crashing down at any point, leaving investors in a loss. Now, the difference between the profitable meme coin traders and the non-profitable ones are 1. Speed and early access to the listing of the meme coin. If your exchange lists the meme coin late, just forget it. The opportunity is already gone. 2. Having access to discovery tools, an app or two that can keep you properly informed about the exact time and date that a meme coin will list. And 3. Meme coin community. Are you in any group or community where people are constantly discussing meme coin listing or opportunities relating to meme coins? If yes, you are one step ahead. In this video, I will show you an app that has all the three features that I just mentioned combined. And without wasting time, let's jump right into it. Now, the app you are looking at is known as what? Gate or Gate Exchange. And the link to download this app is showing on the screen right now. You can as well find this link in my video description and pinned comment. Right now, at the top of this place, you're going to see lots of features. And if you scroll gently to the end, you're going to see alpha. Now, if yours doesn't have alpha right there, what you're going to do is what? Click on more. Okay. And then you scroll a little bit to trade. You can see trade right there and you're going to see what? Alpha. Okay. But before then, click on edit. If you want to add it to your home screen, click on edit, and the minus sign is to remove while the plus sign is to add. So under trade, you are going to see alpha, and then this is it right here. You just click on the plus sign and it's going to come up around here, and then you can save. Okay, so let's go back. I believe that was easy. Now alpha is right here, and you can as well access alpha from here. You can see alpha right here. Okay, and you will see a lot of things. Okay, when you scroll up, look at all chains right here, look at future, look at pump. When you click on pump, you're going to see a lot of tokens. Okay, you can see them right there, and from there you can click here and you see what's upcoming. Okay, these are upcoming tokens. You can as well see latest. Okay, now let us make an example with one of them. Let us say, for instance, I click on this PTC and you can see that it opens. And from here, you can see where to read information about this particular token. Okay, you can see gate fund, you can see right here, you can see the market cap, you can see the liquidity, you can see the current supply, a lot of things. You can as well read the risk assessment, and you can check also the community. Okay, now let us also go to this Jack W. Okay, and from there you can still see, like I said before, overview, the market cap, a lot of things from the information. Okay, now from here you can select the time. Okay, yes, and we are on the chart, of course, you already know. And if you want to trade, you can click on trade right here. Okay, and it's going to bring you to the section where you can actually trade. Okay, you can buy or sell. If you're around here, you want to go back, you can use this drop down arrow right here, and you can see, you can be brought back to this place. Okay, you can see top search, signals, a lot of things. Alpha has a whole lot of things, you can see. And just in case you don't know, Gate or Gate Exchange was one of the first crypto exchanges to list cryptos and meme coins like Pi Network, Core, and Peppermint. Now, I also want to introduce you to Gate Web3 trading future. Now, when you are on Gate Exchange, if you look right up here, you're going to see that you're under what? Exchange. And if you click on it, you're going to see what? More options. For example, the DEX, okay, which says explore the all-in Web3 world. So let us click on it and you will be welcome to Gate Dex. Right now, I just created this account a few minutes ago and I've not deposited any money inside it, but you can see a very simple platform. Now, if you click right in the middle right here, or from this swap, you are going to be brought to an interface where you can exchange your funds. Okay, you can see right here, if you put any amount, you are going to see what you are going to get. You're going to get what? Automatic fee calculation. Yes, you're going to see the fee that you're going to be charged automatically. And you're also going to get what? Customizable slippage. Okay, if you click on it, you can actually customize your slippage. Okay, that's some of the advantages of using what? This particular Web3 exchange on Gate. Okay, right here, if you click on this one right here, this place, you are going to see what? where you can discover lots of what meme coin, other coins and meme coins and other cryptos. You can see there's pump the fund right here. You can see poly market and the rest. And from here, if you click down here, you are going to see market, okay, where you can see more coins for you to trade fast, okay, trade more things that you need. Now, in the beginning of this video, I mentioned the importance of joining a community, a meme coin trading community. And to do that, what we're going to do is let us go back to the exchange, okay, to Gate Exchange. And when you come to the exchange, what you're going to do is what? Scroll around here, scroll to the side and click on more. And from more, look for what? Moments. Okay, when you click on moments, you're going to see what? Gate Community. And if you click on Gate Community, you are going to be taken to an interface where you can see the social media accounts of Gate and even the social media account of the Gate team. Now let's say for instance I click on the first one. It's going to ask me what to open via X. I click on it and you'll be brought to the social media handle of Gate on X, and you can follow them right here. By joining these communities, not just on X but also on Telegram, you can see some right here. You get access, quick information to trading competition, okay, airdrops, and even launch pool on X. Now you can also get to see launch pool, okay, from right here. Okay, it's new and it's one of the newest options right here on Gate. So in conclusion, meme coin trading is about speed, early discovery, and an active community. And Gate Exchange has all of these factors or all of these features encompassed in our app. You can as well locate them easily via discovery tools like Gate Alpha, just like I showed you in this video. And of course, just like I stated earlier, on Gate or Gate Exchange, you also get what? Early listing, Web3 trading access, and trading campaigns, which you benefit from when you engage in some or all of them. So, what are you waiting for? Head on right now to Play Store, App Store and download Gate Exchange. You can as well find the link to download it in my video description and also in the pinned comments. The link is also being displayed on the screen right now for those watching outside of YouTube. If you have any questions, kindly drop them in the comments and I will respond to as much as possible. And also subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you, my friends, in my next video. Hold on, my friend, and don't leave yet. I have an extra tip for you. Did you know that Gate has been existing since 2013 with more than 1,700 cryptocurrencies inside? And new tokens are added frequently. Now you may want to know, how do I know the token to trade or the meme coin to trade? And how do I also trade? Now I'm going to give you my tip, my personal tip on trading meme coins. Now if you come to Alpha right here, okay, and you scroll up, then let's go to featured, for example. Okay, this applies to anything you want, any meme coin you want to trade. Let's say I select this first one, select a meme coin that has been listed. Then from here, come to data. Okay, from this data, you're going to see what? The address holdings. Now, the tip is this: the lesser the first few people holding this, the better. The lesser the percentage of the proportion that each person is holding, the better. What do I mean? If you see that the first person is holding about 50%, 60% and above, is a very big red flag. If you see that the first person, second or third person, they are holding, let's say 5%, 2%, 3%, basically no less than 10%, it's a very good thing. In fact, something like this, I can go for something like this with 13.34%, but the lesser, the better. Because if you see that one particular person is holding about 65%, 50% of the token, if that person decides to withdraw or sell or liquidate his account, the token is most likely going to crash. Now let us go to the second one and let us have a look. You come here again. And of course, under data, you click on data and you can see address holdings. Look at this guy. You can see that the first person is holding 30%, this person is holding 25%, this person is holding 21%. It doesn't generally mean that the token is bad or is going to do badly. But for me, I would rather go for the first crypto that we saw, the first token that we saw, than this one.